Welcome to this 19th video of lesson number 4, Ratio and Proportion of Mathematics Part 1 of Standard 9. In our previous video, we have seen what is the meaning of continued proportion and we have solved some basic sums on it. Now let's solve some more questions using the concept continued proportion from practice set 4.5. These 3 questions are word problems for second, third, and the 6th question is to find mean proportional of these two terms x plus y upon x minus y and x square minus y square upon x square y square. Let's solve this 6th question first and then let's go for this first 3 questions. So solving this 6th question, we have to find the mean proportion of these two. Means if this is A, this is C, we have to find the value of B. Okay, next we can say, right, let A, B, C are in continued proportion where A is this first term x plus y upon x minus y and C is equal to x square minus y square upon x square y square, and we have to find B. Correct? We have to find the mean proportion of A and C, that is B. So to find B, okay, we will write here B square is equal to AC. Okay, find B. What we will start with B square, that is B, which is mean proportion of A and C. That B square is going to be A into C. Therefore, B square is equal to, what is A? It is x plus y upon x minus y into, what is C? X square minus y square upon x square y square. It's y square here. Okay. Now we want to find B, but we have this B square, so we have to find square root. So where we want to have, if left side is the square of B, then we need to find right side also square of a which. So how we can find this? Now let's observe here x plus y, x minus y, you cannot do anything. But x square minus y square, certainly we can factorize using the identity. What is the identity? That a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So using this identity, instead of a and b, here we have x square and y square. So copying the first term as it is, let's factorize this using this identity. It will become x plus y into x minus y. So we have taken the factors of this term, okay, this bracket. And what is x square y square? It is a square of xy. Okay. Now let's cancel. We can see x minus y. The whole bracket can be cancelled with this upper x minus y. And then what is remaining over here? So you can see that x plus y into x plus y. Therefore, left side is b square, square of b, and the right side it is x plus y, its bracket square. We have same bracket twice, and in the denominator it is xy, its square. Now taking square roots on both sides, we can get it b is equal to x plus y upon xy. So this is b. It means your answer is x plus y upon xy is the mean proportional. Okay, is the mean proportional of the given two terms. The two terms, this and this. You can copy whatever it is. X plus y upon x minus y. Here it is x square minus y square upon x square y square. So this is the mean proportional of the two given terms. Okay, so we have found this mean proportion of these two terms. Now let's go to the word problems. Now let's read the question number 1, where it is given which number should be subtracted from 12, 16 and 22 so that the resultant numbers are in continued proportion. Okay. Now the given 3 numbers are 12, 16 and 22. But we need to find such a number which should be subtracted from that. Okay, which we do not know, we need to find. and as usual whenever we do not know, we take it as variable x. So first we will write here that solution of 1. Okay, let x be subtracted from the given three numbers 12, 16 and 22. 12, 16 and 22, so that the resultant numbers are in continued proportion. Okay. Therefore, what will be the resultant if we subtract x from 12? Therefore, 12 minus x, then 16 minus x, and the last one is 22 minus x. So we'll get this resultant number are in continued proportion. So we can take the ratio of first and second, that is 12 upon minus x upon 16 minus x, that equals to these two ratios, 16 minus x upon 22 minus x. We get these two ratios equal to these two ratios. Now again we can solve these sums by two different methods. Let me solve by first method just by doing cross multiplication. So here you get 12 minus x, in bracket it is 22 minus x, which will give you equal to 16 minus x, again 16 minus x. Basically, so this is b square is equal to ac. Here b square has come on the right side. So when you multiply this bracket to bracket, you need to multiply by 12. 12 in bracket 22 minus x. Then you multiply by minus x to 22 minus x. That equals to. Now here, either you can use the identity of a minus b the whole square, because here we find this side is nothing but it is 16 minus x the whole square. Twice means it is square. So if we want to use the identity that a minus b the whole square, which equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So if we want to use this identity, in this case a means 16. So you have to write 16 square minus 2ab, that is 2 into 16 into x, and then plus b square, that is plus x square. So if you want to use this identity, you can use like this, or you can multiply by 16 to this bracket and minus x to this bracket like this on the left side. So simplifying this left side, 12 into 22, 12 2s are 24, 12 2s are 24 plus 2, 26, 264, minus 12 into x, that is 12x, minus 22x, minus into minus plus x square is equal to 16 square is 256, minus 16 2s are 32x plus x square. Okay. Let me write this identity part. Now here, this is 264, club this, minus 12, minus 22. Sign is same. So you have to add these numbers, 2 plus 2, 4, 2 plus 1, 34x plus x square is equal to 256 minus 32x plus x square. Now you can subtract x square terms from both sides so that will get cancelled. Now here minus 34x and minus 32x. This is smaller. So to make it positive, you can take it on that side. So you can take 264 here minus 256. That equals to minus 32x plus 34x. Okay. Here this subtraction will give you 2x and this subtraction will give 4 plus 4, 8. Now if 2x is equal to 8, then we get x is equal to 4. 2 4s are 8. So what should be the answer? 4 should be subtracted from 12, 16 and 22 so that the resultant numbers are in proportion. Can we verify this? Certainly yes. How can we verify this? From 12 if we subtract 4, from 16 if we subtract 4 and from 22 if we subtract 4. What will be the resultant number? We will get 12 minus 4 is going to be 8, 16 minus 4 you get it 12 and then 22 minus 4 you get it 18. We need to check whether these three numbers are in proportion or not. For that, take the ratio of first and second. 8 upon 12. Dividing by 4, you will get 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. The ratio is 2 upon 3. And what is the ratio of 12 upon 18? So if you divide this both the number by 6, it's 6 2s are and 6 3s are. As the reduced form is same, these three numbers are in continued proportion. Okay. So we have got this answer. Now I want to explain you this sum, how it can be done in different ways. So this was cross multiplication. One more method I want to tell you. So just to reduce the calculation part, here what we can do, here as it is minus x, we can do dividend on that. Okay, what we can do by dividendo. Dividendo is one of the operation on equal ratios. If you have not watched my video on the operation of on equal ratios, you can certainly watch that. Okay, so what is dividendo? In dividendo we do numerator minus denominator upon denominator. That's we do in the dividendo. So this is 12 minus x minus 16 minus x. So we are subtracting this denominator from the numerator upon denominator as it is 16 minus x. And here also 16 minus x minus 22 minus x upon 22 minus x. So we have done the dividendo. Simplify this 12 minus x minus 16 plus x upon 16 minus x is equal to 16 minus x minus 22 plus x. This sign is changing, plus is becoming minus and minus is becoming plus. Same way here. 22 minus x plus x get cancelled. We get it here minus 4 upon 16 minus x is equal to, here also x gets cancelled, plus minus 16 minus 22. 4 plus 2, 6. We will get it minus 6 upon 22 minus x. Okay. Now both are minus. You can multiply by minus. You can make it positive and can divide these two 4 and 6 by 2 also. So make it positive as well as dividing by 2. You will get it 2 2s are 4. 16 minus x is equal to 2 3s are 6. Okay, 22 minus x. So actually we have divided by minus 2 on the both sides. Now as we have reduced these terms up to this much, now you can do cross multiplication. That will not be a big calculation part for you. So 2 into 22 minus x. So 2 into 22 will become 44 minus 2x. That equals to, multiply these 3. 16 3s are 48 minus 3x. Okay. Now minus 3x is smaller. So minus 2x, keep it here. Let it be 3x come here. Minus will become plus 48 minus 44. So here the simplification is 3x minus 2x x, 48 minus 44 is 4. So in any way the value of x we have got 4. So this was the another method where just by doing dividendo, here the number of steps may be little bit increased. Directly we are not doing, or actually the number of steps are also not increasing. But you can simplify this terms in this way, and then you can go for the cross multiplication, which is a really easier method. Okay, so using this dividendo, you can get the easy terms in the ratio and then do cross multiplication to get the value of x. So the final answer is going to be 4 should be subtracted from 12, 16 and 22. That should be the answer. Okay. Now let's go for the question number 2 here. If 28 minus x is mean proportional of 23 minus x and 19 minus x, then find the value of x. Okay. So let's simplify this sum. Here this term is the mean proportional. So this is actually value of b. Okay. So if you can write here, let b is going to be equal to what? 28 minus x. This b is mean proportional of a and c. And so a is going to be equal to what? 23 minus x. 23 minus x. And c is going to be equal to 19 minus x. So if you want to use the dividendo method, we can say that A upon B, therefore A is what? 23 minus X upon B, that is 28 minus X, that equals to B upon C. So here what we are doing, A upon B is equal to B upon C, that is 28 minus X upon 19 minus X. So this 28 minus X, which is B, is mean proportion of these two. Okay, so if we are doing by dividendo, instead of doing this cross multiplication with bigger numbers, let's do dividendo to reduce the terms in this. So 23 minus X, now we can do directly. Now we know that when we have to subtract this denominator from this will change the sign. 28 will become minus 28 and minus X will become plus X upon 28 minus X. So we are doing numerator minus denominator, n minus d upon d. Same on the right side, 28 minus X minus 19 plus X. We are subtracting this, so these are changing the signs, upon 19 minus X. Now simplify, minus X plus X will get cancelled. 23 minus 28 will get minus 5 upon 28 minus X. This will get cancelled here. 28 minus 19 will get it positive 9. 28 minus 9 is going to be 9 upon 19 minus X. Now this cannot be simplified ahead. 5 and 9 as well as minus sign cannot go. Now just do cross multiplication. 5 minus 5 into 19 minus X is equal to 9 in bracket 28 minus X. At least we have reduced these terms to 2 times X. So binomial to binomial, we have reduced that calculation. Here we have just a number into a binomial. Take the product, 19 5 is 95 minus 95 minus minus plus 5x. Now 28 9s are, if you do not know table of 28, you can go for 9, 9 8 is 72, 9 2 is 18 plus 7 is going to be 25, 252, yes, minus 9x. Okay, now take this minus 9x which is smaller than 5x, so 5x minus 9 will come here as plus 9x, 252 minus 95 will come as plus 95. Be careful while solving the equation. Okay, if one sign goes wrong, everything will go wrong. So 9 plus 5 is going to be 14x is equal to this addition is going to be 7. 25 plus 9 is going to be 34. So if you add this, let's check it once. This is not divisible by 14. You can just have a look once again. Minus 5x plus 5x, correct? 7. Correct. Okay. So yeah, x is going to be 343, 47 upon 14. Let's check if it is divisible by 7, because this is not divisible by 2. 7 2s are 14, 7 347. If you divide by 7 4s are 28, 9 remains, oh 6 remains. This is not divisible, so you have to keep it as it is. Okay, so 347 upon 14. So this is the find the value of x is going to be in this fraction we have got. Okay, fine. Let's go for the last sum. In this video we are going to solve question number 3. Three numbers are in continued proportion whose mean proportional is 12. So the value of mean proportion, that is value of from A, B, C, B is given as 12. And sum of the remaining two numbers is 26. Then find these numbers. Okay, so here what is given to you that let A, B, C are in continued proportion, where B is 12 and A plus C, their sum is 26. Okay, so we have to find this value of A and C. Now here we know that as ABC are in continued proportion, therefore B square is equal to AC. So B square means that is 12 square. What is A? Okay, We do not know A. We know A plus C. So here we can say, therefore A can be taken as 26 minus C. So let shift C on that side or A on that side. We can get value of the other. So this, let's put this value of A at 26 minus C into C. So what is 12 square? 12 square is 144. So if you multiply here by C, it is 26C minus C into C, that is C square. Take these both the terms on the left side, so that C square will become positive minus 26C plus 144 is equal to 0. Nothing is on the right side, so it means it is 0 on the right side. So we have got quadratic equation where the variable is C. Now let's factorize 144 such that the addition of the factors should be equal to 26. So what are the factors? First we can go with 1 into 144. Certainly its addition is not 26. So go for cancel this thing. If you get 2, how many is that? 2 7s and 2 2s. Certainly this addition is not 26. If you divide this by 3, 3 4s are 12. Then 2 remains, then 6, 46. 46 these are 144, so here also we do not get its addition. 4, if you divide by 4, 4 3s are 12. Again 2 remains, 4 6. Oh, here it should be 8. 3 4s are and 24 3 8s are. Here it should be 6. 36 4s are 144. The addition is not 26. Let's go for the next. It is not divisible by 5 and it is divisible by 2 and 3 both. Certainly it is divisible by 6. 6 2s are 12. Again 2 remains, 24. 6 4s are 24. Addition is not 26. Go by, cannot divide by 7. You can divide it by 8. Okay. Divisible by 2 and 4. It's divisible by 8. So 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16. No, 8 1s are 8. So if you divide, subtract 8 from here, you will get it 64. 8 8s are 64. So 18 8s is also 144. And if you check 18 plus 8, what is addition of 18 plus 8? It is going to be 26. So we have to select these factors. So it is 18 8s are. So 18 into 8 product is 144 and the sum is 26. But here the sum we want minus. So this both the signs should be taken to be minus. So the required factors are minus 18 and minus 8. So this should be simplified as C squared minus 18C minus 8C plus 144 is equal to 0. This is our proper. Now taking C common from this, C minus 18, and writing C minus 18, here the third term is minus 8. So minus 8 into C minus 8C, and this product is 144. That equals to 0. This is just factorization of a trinomial as usual. So first bracket we got, common bracket is C minus 18 and the other is C minus 8. That equals to 0. If product of these two brackets is 0, it means either C minus 18 should be equal to 0 or C minus 8 is equal to 0. Therefore, either the value of C is plus 18 or C is plus 8. Now, these are the two values of C we have got. As both are positive, we can accept both the values. Now, to get value of A, we need to get A is what? 26 minus C. That is 26 minus 18. If you subtract 18 from 26, we get 8. Or here, if you get the value of C as 8, then A is going to be 26 minus 8, which is going to be 18. So basically, we get two sets, either 18 and 8 or 8 and 18. Means basically these two numbers are 8 and 18. We can say like this. So this can be our answer. So the remaining two numbers are 8 and 18. So this was the solution of these 4 questions. I hope you understood this. If you understood this, please give me likes. If you have not yet subscribed the channel, please subscribe. And if you are not yet, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Keep watching.